So to demonstrate, we are now in the Billit interface, and let's say that we are either a front desk worker that is given this insurance card by a patient, or that we're a biller, and this is the insurance card that belongs to the patient we are billing our services for. First and foremost, we need to check to see if we are logged into the right location, so we know we get the right information. We can do that from the top right section of the Billit build by looking under current location. As you can see, we have two example locations, but in this instance, we'll be using example location 1. Alright, so in this example, let's say we already know the name of the card's plan. Luckily, this allows us to just skip a step and use the advanced search feature to search for that insurance plan's name. In our case, let's say it's Federal Employees. We will then get a result and click on it. And then we are promptly given instructions as both a front desk worker and a biller. The front desk worker gets instructions on how to intake and process a patient with this plan. And just below that are the instructions for billers on how to bill and collect from this insurance plan. And just below that are two insurance cards that are used for this plan. And at the very top are answers to common questions that might be encountered for this specific plan, such as if freesia is allowed and if a referral is required. We can set these to whatever we want, both value and title. And just like that, we're done with that example. But let's take it up a notch and say that we're either front desk or billing staff and we come across the same insurance card as before, but let's say we don't recognize the insurance card and don't know what insurance plan it belongs to. So, instead of searching for the plan's name, we instead go through Billit's built-in insurance card identification guide. So to start off, we'll select the insurance card name from the sidebar that we see on the insurance card, which is Care First. Next, we'll select Blue Cross Blue Shield, since that's also a title that we saw on the insurance card. Now, to the right of the sidebar is a text field that is a list of suggestions of what choice to pick next from the sidebar. Since none of them apply to us, and we know the insurance card states Federal Employees Program, we can just select that. But in more difficult scenarios, we can use these suggestions as a guide to reach the correct insurance plan for the card we are dealing with. And just like that, we reach the same endpoint as previously, and we get the same instructions for the same types of employees. And once again, we're done.